Hello friends, this is Lena from VTC Academy and today we are going to discuss about harmonic progressions. So let me explain this concept with the help of an example. So we have considered here a sequence which is 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 by 12 and so on. Now let us write the reciprocal of this sequence. So this would come as 3, 6, 9, 12 and then so on. Now in this sequence the first term T1 is 3, the second term is 6, third term is 9 and the fourth term is 12. And here we have the second term as 6 and it is formed just by adding a constant number 3 to the first term, so we get here 6. And the third term is obtained just by adding 3 to the second term, and similarly and fourth term is formed just by adding 3 to the previous term, which is nothing but T3. So here we observe that a term can be obtained just by adding a constant number to the previous term. So we know that such sequence is called as an arithmetic progression. So what is here the harmonic progression? So a progression is said to be harmonic progression if it is the reciprocal of arithmetic progression. And now let us discuss about the nth term, which is nothing but the general term of an harmonic progression. So we already know that the sequence of an arithmetic progression will be in the form of a plus d, a plus 2d and so on. So in that case we have the nth term of an arithmetic progression as a plus n minus 1 into d. As we know here, the reciprocal of arithmetic progression is harmonic progression. The nth term of harmonic progression is given by 1 divided by a plus n minus 1 into d, where the first term is 1 by a and d is the common difference. So the series of harmonic progression would come as 1 by a, then 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d and so on. So this was the basic introduction on harmonic progressions. In our next coming up videos, we are going to solve an example on harmonic progression. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.